start the session.
Yes, it is audible. Okay, we'll start now.
Okay, it's okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Welcome, friends. Welcome to our Qatar group meditations. And today's topic is five-finger concept. This five-finger concept was given by Patriji. It is very simple technique and it is very interesting also, because in just in our five fingers we have so much knowledge, wisdom in this. In the five fingers represents a unique thing. The first is the little finger. This is the body. Next, the ring finger is the mind. Next, the middle finger is the intelligence. Index finger is the soul. And this thumb, this is the God. This is all that is. This is everything. This is God. Everything represents one thing. Okay. First, body. Body basically we have two types. We have male, female. Mind, we have infinite types. Hindu mind, Muslim mind, Christian mind, rich man mind, poor man mind. We have infinite types. These are different types of mind. And intelligence, intelligence we have infinite types. But broadly, you can classify intelligence as good, bad, harmful, helpful. This is classified. Next, we get body from where? We get body from this present life parents. Where do we get the mind from? We get mind from the present life society. Your mind is the byproduct of the society. If a person who is born in a rich family and it is born in a very poor family, he will have poor mindset, poor mindset. The human being is brought up in the jungle with animals, tribals. He will not have he will not have human mindset. He will have animal mindset, tribal mindset. So your mind is the byproduct of society. So it's very important where you spend your time, with whom you spend, because it is your reflection. Next, intelligence. Where do we get intelligence from? We get intelligence from our experiences. When we experiment, we get experiences. And experiences is from even past and the present. 90% of the experience intelligence, that is the experience you gain, is from the past lives. Only 10% of the experience is from the present lifetime. And where do we get the soul? This is from the God. Basically, we get the soul from the God. In a tree, we have different leaves. Each leaf represents a soul, and the tree is the God. So the soul we get from the God. Next, to see the body, what to require? We require a mirror to see our body. To see the mind, what you require? You need to go through karma, actions, deeds to see your mind. Suppose you want to have some food. How will you know the taste? Only when you eat the food, you will come to know. So, by performing some actions, deeds, then you will come to know about your mind. Next, intelligence. How you will come to know your intelligence? An expert should tell you. Guru means who is having more experience than you can tell your intelligence whether you're right or no. Now I am playing cricket. If I can't tell myself I am expert, example, great player like Sachin Tendulkar, they should tell me okay, whether I am batting perfectly or no, how is my cricket, practice everything. So a person is having more experience than me can tell about my experience. So you require experience here. And your body is different from my body. Your mindset is different from mindset. Your intelligence is different from my intelligence. But soul, you are a soul, I am a soul. And soul is basically, it is like eternal consciousness. Everywhere, everyone, every person, the soul is there. So there's no question of, and God. And God is only one. Everything, this is everything. There's no question of your God, my God, nothing. Only one God, there's only one creation. That's one God. No your God or my God. Only one God is there in the creation. God is everything. God is everywhere and everything. God is. These are the basic things which I wanted to share about this. And index finger. Now, example, we are pointing to any person. Like example, Ashok sir. You will not use other fingers. Ashok sir, come here. You don't use little finger or you don't use ring finger or the thumb. Ashok, come here. You use your index finger. You tell Ashok sir, come here. Why? Why you are using index finger? Because we operate from the soul level. Because you are a soul, I am also soul. So we use index finger to point a person and call with his name. We don't use other fingers to point out and call him like that. Because we operate from soul consciousness. That's the reason. Yes, no problem. You can leave, sir. I will record the session. It will be available. No issue. Thank you, sir. Thanks, Kabir sir, for joining. And soul getting away from the body, mind, intelligence is meditation. When you get connected to the God, what happens? You are charged with this meditation. You are charging yourself. Once you disconnect or discharge, what happens? This energy is again used by the body, mind, intelligence. Again, you get connected, you are charging yourself with the energy. Meditation, you are getting yourself charged. You disconnect, again, this energy is used by the body, mind, intelligence. So, soul getting away from body, mind, and intelligence is meditation. When you see this is God, when you put some effort, God 100% he puts his effort and guides you. He gets connected to you. If God is not putting effort, you cannot reach him. So when you put some effort, God is putting his effort 100% and you're getting connected to him. And you can see here, the body is attached to the mind, and you can see there's such a big gap between body and mind. So we can tell you the mind is governing our body, and our mind is attached to body as well as intelligence. But there is very small gap between mind and intelligence. Very small gap. This operates at two levels, and intelligence is attached to the mind and the soul. Intelligence is not at all connected to the body itself. This is middle path, which you tell. And here, intelligence is the boss for the mind, whereas in here, mind is boss for the body. But when it comes to intelligence, intelligence is above the mind. It is ruling the mind. And even in the marriage also, we put ring to the ring finger. Why? Because two mindsets have to connect together. So we put the ring to the ring finger. These are the basic uh, concept which was given by this. It's amazing concept. Best in the five fingers, we have so much wisdom to learn, and there is so much takeaway from these five fingers. Just this represents the body. This is the mind, intelligence, soul, God. Soul getting away from the body, mind, intelligence, and getting connected to God is meditation, and you charge yourself meditation. You discharge this energy again is used by the body, mind, intelligence. This is a very simple concept, an easy concept told by Patri sir to learn very much. Thank you, friends, for giving me opportunity to share this wisdom. If you have any doubts or if you want to add on anything, you can please unmute yourself and you can share. Thank you. You can express your views or your questions, whatever is there, your experience, how you felt the concept was. You can unmute yourself.
Yes, what you have told about the five fingers, it's very quite informative because we have seen that in pranayam and all that, some mudras and all that are saying, but now it is clear from your words that why those fingers are taking into consideration. Now I'm very thankful for that. Okay, very fine it is. Okay.
If you have any doubts, you can ask.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yes, sir, thank
So
you, sir.
mudras and all that are based on this concept, I think.
Yeah,
What
yeah.
you say, sir?
There are many deep, but he has given this simple concept in our just 5 fingers to gain a lot of wisdom. It's very easy to understand also. By these 5 fingers, there's so much wisdom in it. Yes. Anything you want to add, Sil, sir?
Hello.
Okay. Anything
Hello.
you want to add, sir? Sil? Okay, if nothing, I will end the live in the YouTube first, right? Then we can discuss if you have any doubts.
No, sir. Today I actually joined. I will check your YouTube for. Okay. Okay.
Today we had, as per Qatar timing, 4 o'clock session. Normally we have 5 o'clock. Today we started at 4 o'clock.
Yes.
One second. I will end the live in YouTube and we can discuss anything. Thank you, friends. Thanks for joining, everyone.
Okay.
And we meet on every Fridays for the wisdom sharing sessions and the group meditations. We'll have 30 minutes of meditation, 30 minutes of wisdom sharing. Do join every Fridays and you can get connected. If you want any details, you can just message me. I will share you details. And if this time is not convenient for you, please message me the time which is convenient to you. I will check the class because these are happening across the globe. Many people are hosting the classes. Whichever time convenient for you, I can just cross check and I can give the details, the Zoom details, or YouTube details, where our session is happening. So, thank you, friends. Thank you, universe.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Okay.
Thank you. Just I'll end the.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Good night. Good night.